Welcome to the Early Learning Skills program. My name is Nicole. Today I'm going to talk about one of the early literacy practices, singing, and how you can explore this with your child. Singing helps children with later reading skills because singing slows down language and helps children hear the words broken down into smaller sound parts. There's a distinct note for each syllable. Clapping along to words or syllables in songs helps children hear the rhyme of language. This skill will later help them when they are sounding out words to learn to read. Clapping rhymes like Miss Mary Mac stimulate the nerves of the palms and helps children develop the muscles that will be used for writing. I'm going to walk you through the hand motions of Miss Mary Mac and then we'll do it together. On Miss, you're going to clap your two hands together. On Mary, you're going to clap your thighs and then clap your two hands together. On the first Mac, push one of your hands away from your body and then clap. On the second Mac, push your other hand away from your body and then clap. On the third Mac, push both hands away from your body and then you're going to repeat in each part of the song. So it looks like this. Miss Mary Mac, Mac, Mac. Let's try that together. Miss Mary Mac, Mac, Mac. Great job. Now let's do the whole song together. Here we go. Miss Mary Mac, 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 all dressed in black, 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 with silver buttons, 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 all down her back, back, back. She asked her mother, 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 for 50 cents, 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 to see the elephants, elephants, elephants jump over the fence, fence, fence. They jump so high, high, high. They reach the sky, sky, sky. And they didn't come back, back, back till the 4th of July, lie, lie. Now try doing this side by side with your child, and then once they get the hang of it, you could pick up speed and then clap each other's hands on the crossover part when you pushed your hand away from your body. It's a good challenge. Now if your little one is not ready for the clapping game challenge, you could try singing throughout their day instead of talking. Make it a challenge. See who could sing the longest instead of talking. Once your child has mastered both of those activities, try experimenting with musical instruments to hear the smaller sounds and words by shaking, clanging, banging, tapping, or scratching to the beat of each note. Encourage your child to find anything around the house or outside that they can turn into a musical instrument. Have your child make their own paper plate shaker. It's a quick and easy instrument to make. You can take 2 paper plates and have them decorated. You're going to put the 2 plates together, staple along the edge, leave a hole on the top so that you can pour in your pasta. Pour in the pasta, close the top hole, and you have your shaker. Hope you learned something new about singing. Have fun with your child. See you next time.